What's up, guys? Another day in the Northwest. Just showing basically just showing up what I've done in the last week. That's all fur from one job. Sorry, the homeowner wouldn't let me record. That's understandable, but that's okay. Today's agenda is to do some ripping, but I don't feel like it with that piece. And some of you have been watching this channel enough can know that there's something coming. Maybe you guys can figure it out in just a few minutes. Anyway, let me go grab it and introduce you to the new toy. Tool, fine, will be correct. It's a tool, not a toy. So, we'll be back in a few minutes. There you go, guys. That's the first cut. Wow. No wonder guys like Buck and Billy Ray like these things. Granted, his are like, they're vintage, they're old. But I have never ran one this big. Biggest saw I've ran is a 391. And that was my dad's. This one's mine. So it'll be on the channel more. So definitely look at the nice.
That's not all of it.
This puts my MS211 that I've got. I don't want to say to shame. That's the wrong word. It's like going from training wheels to the Corvette overnight. We'll use that analogy. But nice.
Did much better than I thought it would.
But there you go. She's on this channel now.
How do you know it's a she?
So we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks, Landon, for videotaping, helping, whatever.
Whatever?
Yeah, whatever. So, more to come. Thanks for subscribing, liking, all that other neat stuff. Talk to you guys later.